Alright, so I have a video for you guys today. I'm going to actually be customizing this pair of Vans that you guys can see right here. This is a pair that I bought on Foot Locker for like, I think $98. And it is a skate high. Has a checkered inside, but it has canvas and leather and suede on this upper with a zip right here. So I thought, you know what better way to celebrate a white pair of shoes than to change the color to something else. So I wanted to try to dip dye these a different color in this video, and hopefully it will come out. I have no idea how it's going to come out. I don't love my choices of colors, but it's all I have on hand, and I wanted to go ahead and knock the video out. So let's take a look and see what we're going to do. So my choices of colors that I am going to do, these colors here. So there's this neon green. I don't know how it would turn out, neon green. I think that one would be kind of wild. You have an aquamarine, and then there is a denim blue, which is like just kind of a darker blue. I'm kind of leaning towards a darker blue on this. I'm trying to visualize any of these colors, honestly, on this shoe, and I just can't do it. I think the neon green would be a crazy one. I don't know if it's going to absorb well on the kind of the off-white colored suede though. So skeptical to try to do that one. But I'm going to go ahead and choose one, pour it in the water, and then get to dyeing. Alright, so moment of truth for this colorway. I still haven't decided which color. I feel like I'm going to go with this denim blue. Maybe I go with this one. Let's see what neon green looks like. Oh, that's so green. I gotta do neon green. This one's too crazy not to try it. I talked myself into it. Neon green it is. Neon green it is. Holy moly. It's always darker in the pot than it is obviously on the shoes. It looks like the luck of the Irish right here. I'm gonna give it a little stir. Alright, here we go, dudes. No going back. I gotta get a thumbnail there. Alright, we're going in. Ah, oh my goodness, look how green that is. So green. Let's pull it out real quick and see what it looks like real quick. Holy moly. We'll see if it absorbs, dude. If it does, this is gonna be really electric. Yikes. Alright. Let's see if I can fit both of them in at the same time. I'm gonna lace this. Sheesh. Alright. Alright. So we have lime green jello. This is crazy. This is, oh my goodness, look at this. So this looks like straight up Slimer from Ghostbusters. That is ridiculous. I knew that this part right here wouldn't take to it too well. I have a feeling that's synthetic, and I'd probably have to do like a synthetic dye in order for it to take. You can see the dye didn't take to the white on the collar either, and you can see it didn't take on the white leather either, but it did on the canvas. And then this material right here with the laces. So, I mean, these look like Slimer shoes, really. And I honestly kind of dig them. But I'm going to leave them in here a little bit longer and see what happens. Alright, so here you see the final results of this crazy custom. Something that can't escape my mind when I look at these shoes is Slimer versus Eco 1 from Ghostbusters, just because it's that white look and then it has that crazy vibrant green, neon green all over it, kind of like Slimer. Very faint neon green on the laces, and then even on this suede-ish type material on the toe box, which didn't actually adhere very well at all, and same as on the back section. And this is actually really crispy and like not soft now, but I know that I can take like a nubuck brush thing and clean that up a little bit. I just haven't done it yet. Overall, actually, at first I was like, these are terrible, I'm gonna have to figure something else out. But then after I tried them on feet, I was like, you know what? These actually are kind of fresh. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like them. I thought that it was something I would never wear, but it's just enough pop on the shoes that I'm just like kind of like impressed with the look. It looks exactly like what I would have anticipated. None of the colors absorbed the same. The canvas section absorbed the best. It's kind of this really light lime green. This is the part that's kind of weird with the checkers on it and stuff, but it is what it is. Like, honestly, out of the choices of the colors that I had, this one is one that I think probably turned out the best. But I mean, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, why would he do that? These ones look terrible in comparison to the way they did originally, but I think it's kind of fresh. It's just different and fun to be able to take something out of the box and make it your own, which is exactly why I wanted to do this custom. So like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you don't have to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let me know what you don't like. But for the dip dye, it's really easy though. You literally just take the dye, throw it in the pot of water, and then it does the rest. There's no crazy customization to the shoe that's needed, no paintbrush or anything like that. So it's by far the easiest thing you can do to customize it for a permanent effect and have it look just unique and different. So that's why I've been doing these videos. That on top of the fact that I know a lot of people out there just don't want to do it themselves for the first time. And so I don't mind being a guinea pig and trying stuff out on different models and different shoes. And if you have other shoes that you guys would want to see a dip dye on, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what that would be specifically. This is just one that personally caught my eye. I've been wanting to do a pair of Vans. I know canvas takes really, really well to the dye material, so figured I'd just have fun with this one. And ultimately, if I don't really like this result and I want to change this up again, I can dye this black. Like, that's the other thing that I wanted to do, but I didn't have actually the synthetic black dye that I wanted on hand, and I figured I'd try the synthetic black dye the next round if I wanted to go ahead and do that over top of these. And if actually you want to see that, leave a comment as well. But that's the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys my results. I do owe you guys a customization of these, another dip dye. I tweeted it out, 350 retweets, and I would dip dye these, and I got over 350. Stay tuned for that. I ordered the materials. It will be here soon. Expect that custom in the next couple weeks. Anyways, hopefully you guys like the channel, and if you are new to it, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live. Have a great rest of the day, and we will catch you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.